not to leave baggage or packages unattended at any time. Unattended items will be removed by the airport police. Thank you for your cooperation.
American Airlines passenger trailer.
Oh, the tumbleweeds are gone. Question is, how long has that bird been in the airport? An hour or years, potentially? I'm back in Canada. Joel is delayed by a lot. It's me here just before midnight. I don't know if I've really been very clear on what I'm doing, but I'm in Toronto right now. We're driving to London, Ontario tonight. Ooh. It is after midnight, Toronto time. I'm here with Joel, and we're doing a video shoot tomorrow.
Exciting.
And we're going to be so tired.
Very tired.
All right, let's hit the road. Too late to worry about it now.
Yeah.
It is 2:42 in the morning. We are here. We made it to London, Ontario. We need to get up reasonably early in the morning for this shoot. We are not going to sleep more than 5 hours tonight, guaranteed.
Mathematics.
Time to go to sleep.